grade sent from above. We tell them.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Hello guys, before we jump in the tutorial, let's check out this awesome new graphic pack called Toko Graphics by Motion Cam.
What the fuck was that?
Now you may be thinking that $69 is too much for a graphic pack.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Yet this pack here has over 18,000 sales. Yes, 18,000 sales. So what makes this pack here the best seller pack in the world? Our Toko Graphic here has everything any video editor or motion designer needs. We are talking about camera transitions, titles and lower thirds, kinetic titles, backgrounds, lots of social media elements, shape lines, typography, logo reveals, and much more. So when you come back to the price, you will find it's pretty cheap. You may ask why it's pretty cheap while it's $69. As I said before, this pack has everything you need, from typography packs to even social media elements. So if you go search for example for some separate packs, like callouts, you will find some of the packs are even $30. Now this is only one pack and it's between $15 to $30, while Toko Graphic has 20 pack with over 2,200 elements. Let's say one pack is at least $15 and you have 20 of them. Do the math and boom, that's $300. They are not like overlays that you just import and add to your video, they are templates, like project files, so you can edit them, and even learn from them. Let's take a quick look at it. It says here that I don't have the font, and this is not a problem. You can find all the fonts you need and download them in the pack. It also have tutorials explaining how to use it. As you can see here, I can edit literally whatever I want. It also comes with an extension which is completely something else. I mean, with this extension you can see every element in Toko Graphics. To apply it, just click apply. So simple. This pack is amazing, that's all I can say about it. They have versions for After Effects, Premiere Pro and even Final Cut Pro. There is also a free beginner's pack. Check the links in the description for more details.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah. All the pain.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. She got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.